So compound interest is where the magic is. And that's when money starts making money for you without you having to make any money yourself. So it is interest upon interest upon interest. And it can be done in two ways. It can either be because you're doing a monthly debit order, and then that debit order is buying you units and investments, and it's multiplying every single time that debit order is going through. And then it's whatever that debit order or whatever that investment first purchased for you. And it's time, so I call it time in the market, it's time with your investments. And eventually, when you've been investing for long enough, the compound interest that you earn is way more than you've ever contributed. So I often liken it to like the sea. Like if you're a surfer, you never know when you're going to catch that big wave, and that's what compound interest is. It's like that one big wave comes along and it just pushes your portfolio over the edge, and then all the money just carries on. So it's your multiplier effect, it's your magic. And you can only earn the magic if you are invested in the magic.